Dear students, today I am going to solve some problems of 9A and 9B. And I think you have solved some problems. Then here is question number 21 of exercise 9A. Question number 21. It is given divide 7,000 among A, B, C such that A gets 50% of what B gets and B gets 50% of what C gets. Then let C share be X. C share be X. Then B share 50% of C. 50% of C share. C share. Therefore, 50% means 50 upon 100 into C X. It will be X upon 2. And A gets 50% what B gets. Then A share equal to 50% of B share, sorry C share, B share, okay. B share, then it will be 50 upon 100 into X upon 2. So it will be X upon 4. So A plus B plus C share equal to rupees 7,000. 7,000. And here will be A share is X upon 4, B share is X upon 2, and C share is X upon 1. And it is equal to rupees 7,000. Then by taking LCM, it will be X plus 2X plus 4X upon 4 is equal to 7,000. 7,000. So it will be 4 to 6, 7X equal to 7,000 into 4. Rx equal to 7,000 into 4 upon 7, 1. Therefore, X equal to rupees 4,000. This is C share. This is C share. So B share equal to X upon 2 means 4,000 upon 2 is equal to rupees 2,000. And A share equal to 4,000 X upon 4 is equal to 4,000 upon 4 is equal to rupees 1,000. 1,000. Thus, A share equal to 1,000, B share equal to 2,000, and C share equal to 4,000. This is your answer. Now next question of exercise 9B. Question number 11. Question number 11. In an examination, Nitin gets 98 marks. This amounts to 56% of the maximum marks. What are the maximum marks? Let the maximum marks be x. Maximum marks be x. So 56% of x is equal to 98, or 56 upon 100 into x is equal to 98, or x equal to, by cross multiplication, 98 into 100 upon 56. 14 4 ja 56 and 14 7 ja and 25. 25 7 ja 175. Means maximum mark is 175. Yes, you can solve some other problem, and I am going to teach profit and loss. Profit and loss means this is chapter number 10. Chapter number 10. Profit and loss. Profit and loss. Profit and loss. Here is some formula. If SP is greater than CP, SP means selling price and CP means कॉस्ट प्राइस. सेलिंग प्राइस मीन्स जिस प्राइस पे हम कोई आइटम बेचते हैं, और कॉस्ट प्राइस मीन्स जिस प्राइस पे हम कोई किसी चीज को खरीदते हैं. जैसे सपोज करिए इस मार्कर को मैंने 10 रुपीज में खरीदा और 15 रुपीज में बेचा, तो 10 रुपीज इसका कॉस्ट प्राइस हुआ और 15 रुपीज इसका सेलिंग प्राइस हुआ. देन इफ एसपी इज ग्रेटर देन सीपी, अगर एसपी सीपी से ग्रेटर है मीन्स सेलिंग प्राइस कॉस्ट प्राइस से अगर ग्रेटर है तो इसका मतलब गेन होगा. सो देयर विल बी गेन, देयर विल बी गेन, देयर विल बी गेन. एंड इफ CP is greater than SP, there will be loss, and gain equal to SP minus CP, and loss equal to CP minus SP, and gain equal to, gain percent equal to gain upon CP into 100%, and loss equal to, loss percent equal to loss upon CP into 100%. And some other formulas. When gain there is again then SP equal to 100 plus gain upon 100 into CP. And when there is a loss, then SP equal to 100 minus loss upon 100 into CP. And when there is a gain, then CP equal to 100 upon 100 plus gain into SP. And when there is a loss, then CP equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss into SP. These are 4 or 5 formulas, and I think you should learn by heart. आप इसको याद कर लेंगे. Then I will teach you next exercise, profit and loss, chapter number 10, and complete all the questions of exercise 9A and 9B. If you have any problem, you may ask me. Thank you.